Are you letting fear hold you back? In this video, we break down step-by-step strategies to overcome the fear of failure and unlock your full potential. Fear of failure kills more dreams than failure ever will. You're not afraid of failure. You're afraid of what people will think when you fail. But listen, those people don't live your life. They don't feel your dreams, your pain, or your purpose. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's the path to it. Every great one you admire has failed, more times than you can imagine. Steve Jobs was fired from his own company. Michael Jordan missed over 9,000 shots. Yet they kept moving. Because they knew failure only sharpens greatness. So stop fearing failure. Start fearing never trying. If this video inspired you, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Tell me in the comments, what's one failure that shaped who you are today? Your story might inspire someone else.